Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to get all characters in Subway Surfers. So let's get started. Use coins to unlock characters. Many characters can be unlocked with coins earned during runs. Tap the Me button, then tap on the Characters tab. Here you can buy characters with money, keys, and also through missions. Tap on the character that you want to buy. Next, tap on the amount of coins it costs. Collect character tokens. Some characters require special tokens to unlock like keys, guitars, spray cans, or hats. These tokens appear during runs, so keep an eye out. Once you collect enough, you can unlock that character. For example, this character can be unlocked using 30 keys, so if you have enough keys, tap on it to unlock. Complete events and session hunts. Limited time characters are often available through events or season hunts. Tap on the event tab from the bottom right corner of your screen. Complete the required task or collect event tokens to unlock the character. In this event, you will get new character by completing all the 5 stages. Tap on the start stage button and start playing. Purchase characters with real money. Some premium or limited edition characters may only be available through in-app purchases. Check the shop under special offers if you are interested. Tap on the offer that you like and follow the payment procedure. And that's how you can get all characters in Subway Surfer.